What's up, guys? It's the beginning of winter here in California. It's about to start raining in a few minutes. It's time to start barbecuing. Yes, that's right. It's not just in the summer that you have to barbecue, it's the winter, because the moisture in the air, when it starts to rain, the moisture is actually going to keep everything nice and moist while you're barbecuing. So it's time to get cranking. All right, the one thing that sucks about the winter, of course, it's colder. So if you have a crappy smoker like me with the thin metal, you're gonna have to be burning a lot more fuel. You're gonna have to watch those temps. So make sure you have a good thermometer. What we got is a smoked ham. I'm gonna double smoke that. And the only reason why I'm doing that is because I want collard greens. You can't have collard greens unless you have some ham. Cut up a bunch of pieces of ham, throw it in the ham, throw the ham inside the collard greens, and it's gonna be awesome. Let's get to cooking. All right, this is looking fantastic. All I'm gonna do is put some glaze over it, and in a few minutes it'll be done. All right, the ham is done. Let's get it inside. Cut a couple pieces and put it in the greens. I want to try to get this bone right here. I want to use that for sure. Try to cut it out, use that a bit. Let's go inside. Big pot ready. I'm gonna add my garlic confit to the pot and get that warmed up. All right, to my sizzling confit, some white onions. And some red pepper. Get that soft. All right, I'm gonna take that big old bone from the ham and a bunch of meat from the ham. Most of my collard greens almost have more meat than greens. Put some water in there. Add a little bit more water and then let that thing kind of render down. And then we'll add our greens. All right, we've added the greens. Now we can go ahead and adjust our water accordingly. Put some more water in there. Want to level it out. Once I get it all leveled out, we'll let it go for another 30 minutes. This is a Christmas ham, like butter. These are the collard greens from Petite Nail Garden Inspirations. Let's see how these taste. Juicy, juicy, juicy. All that juice from the ham is fantastic. Little mashed potatoes on the side, beautiful. Everything worked out well. All this Christmas love, just to have some Christmas greens. Merry Christmas.